Introducing Keko Tonneau bed covers for pickup trucks, a smart solution for truck owners seeking for versatility, protection, and style. And here's why Keko Tonneau cover stands out. Enhanced security. Safeguard your valuables and equipment. Keko soft covers offer a level of security by concealing items stored in your truck bed, deterring theft, and keeping your belongings out of sight. Improved fuel efficiency. Drive with efficiency in mind. With Keko soft covers, experience reduced aerodynamic drag, optimizing airflow over your truck bed and ultimately improving fuel economy. Easy installation and operation. Enjoy hassle-free setup and accessibility. Keko soft covers are designed for easy installation and quick access to your truck bed, allowing for convenient use whenever you need it. Compact and lightweight. Maximize your truck's utility without sacrificing your space. Keko soft covers are lightweight and compact when folded or rolled up, providing ample cargo space and flexibility when not in use. Sleek appearance. Elevate the look of your pickup truck. Keko soft Tonneau covers add a touch of style, complementing the design of your vehicle and giving it a polished, finished appearance. All-weather protection. Keep your cargo shielded from the elements. Whether it's rain, snow, or intense sunlight, Keko soft covers provide reliable protection, ensuring your gear stays dry and secure. With Keko soft bed covers, you're not just investing in protection, you're investing in convenience, efficiency, and style for your pickup truck. Upgrade your truck today and experience the difference with Keko.